What's up, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing. This is a quick unboxing. Just went to Amazon and picked up a new set of headphones. We have signed up with the YMCA and needed after the first time in the weight room there, and we heard all of the clanging of weights and dropping of weights and people screaming expletives. We decided we needed headphones, so we picked up these $15 iJOY logo is what they're called. Let me put them under here for you a little bit better. iJOY logo. 15 bucks. So I wasn't expecting much, but I gotta tell you, I was pleasantly surprised. So before we get into all the things, we're just gonna hop into here. The outside of it has a nice soft feel to the cardboard, but we have a 5-button control memory card, which is cool, radio receiver, and an equalizer, EQ presets. Let's just hop on into it. So we open it up and we get quick guide, which doesn't have too much, but then we get into here and we have a male-to-male headphone cord that's red, a USB micro B charger, and then the headphones themselves. Not much to the packaging, but what do you really expect for $15? The thing I really like about this, sound quality, they're $15 headphones. They're not as bad as you would think. I would put them on par with earbuds you get from your cell phone. When you buy a cell phone and it has those earbuds inside, it's that good. It's not much better. I would say that with the equalizing presets, that there are just a couple, like you can get a little bit more on the low end, which is nice. Of course, especially for when you're in the gym. For here, we have our play pause as well as voicemail for some reason. We have our back and lower the volume, our forward and raise the volume, our equalizer presets, and our mode. That's the M right there. So mode will cycle you through Bluetooth, SD card, and radio. All of that in this little package. I think that's pretty neat. The SD card, headphone jack for when the batteries die, you can plug it straight into your phone or your radio. And then the other mode, which is the radio. This has a full FM transmitter in here, so you can pick up the local stations around the way. That's about it for the modes. Let's go ahead and pair it, see how easy it is to pair. So they say as soon as you turn it on, I'm an idiot. So the other thing that I really like about these headphones that I forgot about is they actually have a rocking power switch. So it's not a button or anything that you could accidentally hit. You actually have to, you see that switch right there? You flick it, bam, and now it's on. And it'll glow blue, and then you see it blinking from red to blue. So when it is going red and blue, it is in pairing mode. And there, it just picked up right there, pairing, good to go. So, fit, because that's really what's important, right? So, for me, I really don't care for this type of fit. A lot of people like it, but it goes right on my ear, so that this part right here, this whole piece of my ear right here, I got big ears, but this whole piece of my ear and this earlobe, the cup actually sits on, which I don't really like. I like a cup that goes the whole way over my ear. My wife says that she loves it. She doesn't mind it at all. But for me, if you're the kind of person who has bigger ears and likes it to fit over, it's just too small. But with that being said, let's open up Pandora. Luda! So you push and hold to turn the volume up. I mean, it's really not bad once you cup your ears. The driver will move your eardrum. So then we have different equalizer presets. So right now, I guess it's on powerful. This is more of a vocal one that has higher treble, but that bass is still coming through. And then this one, this is the powerful one. This is the powerful one. It really, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it tones down the treble and just really throws up the bass almost too much. That's for our Bluetooth. Now we can hit the mode button, and this goes to radio. You hear the static. So then to seek, just push and hold the plus button. Oh, no, not push and hold, just tap it, sorry. So yeah, it says short press in the manual. I'm not picking anything up. Well, anyway, it's there. And then we're right back to the pairing mode. Now, I would imagine if I had an SD card plugged into here, then it would check that out. I don't have any music on an SD card, though. This is a really terrible unboxing. But that, I think, is really cool, that mode, so that you can just throw if you're a runner or a workout, you can throw your favorite music on there. You don't have to worry about using your data. You don't have to worry about wearing your phone battery down. It's all just self-contained into here. Battery capacity is 300 milliamp hours with a battery play time of 8 hours, it says. I haven't even put this on charge since we got it a few days ago, or a week ago now. The battery's still not dead. So I would definitely believe that 8-hour runtime. And then when you're done with it, you just turn it off with the rocker switch, fold it up, and you're good to go. I really was blown away by what you got for the price. Now, of course, it's a pleather cushion. It's gonna get sweaty. This actually in the headrest here, soft plastic, but it feels good against the head and it's got some cushion underneath of it. For 15 bucks, to have something like this that has an FM player, an SD card player, a separate headphone jack for when the battery dies, 8 hours of playtime, and the power rocker. I can't tell you how much I like the fact that it's a rocker switch instead of a push button switch, because you throw these in a gym bag and the next thing you know, your shoes are bouncing up against it, turns your headset on, you don't know it, you get back to the gym the next day and these are dead. That's my unboxing and initial review of the iJOY logo. Like I said, we caught them for 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link down below for you guys. For 15 bucks, you sure do get a lot for your money with this headset. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.